In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to change the background style of SketchUp. So as you can see here, we've got a dark gray ground and a sort of light gray sky. So I'm going to show you how to change that here in the free web version, and then I'm going to also show you how to do it in the Pro version on your desktop if you're using that. So no matter which version of SketchUp, this will show you how to change the background style. So in the free web version, you'll go over here and you'll click on the icon with these two little shapes. It looks like a cylinder and sort of a rectangle. You can click on that, and then you can go to, this is currently the style we're using. So if you go to the browse button here, which is the magnifying glass, there's all sorts of drop downs here. If you go to default styles, you could make the sky blue and the ground green like grass. You could also make it all black and white, and there's all sorts of styles here. You could go to photo modeling. There's some that are called sketchy edges, which look like they've kind of been hand drawn or something like that. So that is how you change the style in the free web version of SketchUp. And now I'm going to show you how to change it in the Pro version. So I'll just exit out of this, and right here in the Pro version, it is a little bit different, but just as easy. So you'll go up here to Window, and you'll go to Styles here. And so you'll find all sorts of styles here, and usually when you open it, it will be on this In Model by default. You can just click this drop down, go to Default Styles or any of these styles here, and you can change the background style just like that. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to show how you could change the background style in SketchUp. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.